In this screencast, we will use events to move the player 1 sprite when the arrow keys are pressed. To start, I'll click on the player 1 sprite. In this game, the user needs to be able to move the sprite forward and turn it left or right. To find blocks that move the sprite, I'll click on Motion. If you're not sure of which blocks to choose, double click on a few and see what they do. If I double click on Move 10 Steps, I can see that it moves my sprite forward, so I'll definitely add this to my program. If I double click on the Turn blocks, I can see that they turn the sprite, so I'll drag both of those out as well. Now I have 3 blocks in my program, but the only way to run them is to click on them. That doesn't make for a very exciting game. To fix this, let's use event blocks to run this code when the user presses the arrow keys. I'll click on the Events menu. Event blocks all say when. This helps us read our code. We could use an event block that would run code when the green flag is clicked, or when the sprite is clicked. But for this game, we want to use a when key pressed block. This block has a drop-down menu that shows all key press options. I want this sprite to move forward when I press the up arrow, so I'll select up arrow and then attach this block to the Move 10 Steps block. I can try this out by pressing the up arrow. And great! Now the sprite moves forward when the up arrow is pressed. I can use more key press events to turn this sprite clockwise with the right arrow and counterclockwise with the left arrow. Great! Now I have a basic racing game, and it's your turn to create your own. Once the screencast is finished, program the player 1 sprite using a key press event for up, left, and right arrow keys, and a movement block for each event. Remember that if you have a question, you can ask a neighbor or use a sticky note to get the attention of your CS First guru. After you have completed this step, go to the next screencast by pressing the green arrow.